Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create surveys with Jotform in 2026. If you want to collect feedback, opinions, or customer satisfaction responses online, this guide will help you build a professional survey step by step. First, open your web browser and log into your Jotform account. Next, click Create Form from your dashboard to start a new survey. Now choose a blank form or browse the survey templates to save time. Next, give your survey a clear title and add a short description explaining its purpose. Now add questions using fields like multiple choice, drop-downs, rating scales, checkboxes, long text, or short text. Next, arrange your questions in a logical order using the drag-and-drop builder. Now mark important questions as required if you want every respondent to answer them. Next, customize the survey by changing the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand or style. Now preview the survey to make sure all questions display correctly and the submission process works smoothly. Finally, publish your survey and share it using a direct link, email, QR code, or by embedding it on your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create surveys with Jotform. You can now collect valuable feedback quickly and professionally. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.